Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to hide your profile on Facebook, alright? What I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and open up the Facebook app. And as you can see, this is the interface of the app. Please, before you do anything, double check if the Facebook app needs to be updated, alright? Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and click on my menu at the below right corner. And from here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on my profile instead of the settings here. And I'm going to just go ahead to my profile right here. As you can see, this is my profile and everything. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just click the three bars or the three dots, sorry, next to the edit, and from here you're gonna see multiple options, and just go ahead and see right here, this is your the settings and everything, and just go ahead right here into the profile status right here, and you're gonna see this is your profile status and everything. And from here, what I'm gonna do, you're gonna see right here privacy and safety, and here you're gonna see the privacy and safety. And from here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead right here, and you're gonna see let me just go ahead and click activity log right here, and you won't be able to see it. Now in order to hide your profile, you need to turn off the professional mode. So I'm gonna just go ahead and turn off the professional mode. And from here, after you turn off the professional mode, as you can see right here, it's successfully turned off. Click on it, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and refresh right here to see the different settings. Click the three dots again. Now what I'm going to do, you're going to see an option right here appearing to you, which is lock profile. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and lock profile and basically continue into following the instructions of locking your profile. Now your profile is secure and no one can have access to it. Now turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.